Beautiful work of art. Nizzy is alive again. Welcome to Florida. We're about to run this G37. What is up, YouTube? Yeah, I know, before you say anything, I know I look like somebody's fucking auntie. But anyways, got the clutch fixed. Clutch running good. Car ran amazing for about a week. Car's down yet again. Fucking Advanced Auto Zone, whatever, Advanced Auto Parts, Advanced Auto Zone, whatever you want to call that place. Bought an alternator from them. That one took a shit. Had a lifetime warranty. Put the lifetime warranty one in. That one just took a shit. So now I'm not buying another AutoZone, Advanced, wherever I got that dumb alternator from. We are going to be buying a upgraded one from DC Engineering, I think it's called. 270 watt, 270 amp. I don't know what the fuck. All I know is it gives out more power because my bags are leaking. So pretty much my bags are leaking because the compressor, the thing that you pull to let the air out, one, I need to change that, get a new one. Probably like $5 at Lowe's, Home Depot. I haven't did that. Here's the setup. Yep, wood lifted up, broke, whatever. We'll redo it. Me and my boy Hen are gonna get to it. This thing right here had to tape because it keeps popping out, letting air out slowly. This one right here also have some tape on there, whatever, trying to hold it, but it's not working. This port out right here is leaking air. Slowly, not crazy, but by the time I come outside, you know, it's always aired out, which it shouldn't be. It should be holding air. So yeah, guys, keeps kicking on the compressors. So the alternator, the battery is working overtime and it keeps clapping out. Should have went OEM, but instead I was like, fuck it. I think I paid what, $80 more or $100 more for an upgraded one. Down below in the description I will put which alternator I got. Once I get the car up, I'm gonna start looking for people to paint. Was gonna buy 3-piece wheels, but I just told myself realistically the car just needs a paint job. The RPFs look good enough for now. Let's just get back outside. Let's start making content again. So yeah, guys, sorry for the rambling, sorry for the talking. Just a little update on what's going on with Nizzy. Your boy's alternator from DC Power finally came in. Custom built alternator for my 350Z. It's a high amp, high watt, whatever you want to call it, alternator because my shit kept clapping out. So yeah, guys, you know, I know you guys want me to be more consistent on the videos, drop more content, but when you're not a rich car YouTuber that's getting mods after mods after mods day by day, you order one mod and it takes damn near almost 2 months. Nah, probably a month this took. That right there is a super pretty unit. Whew. Your boy took off the plastic and look at that. Beautiful, beautiful work of art. It's crazy you're not even gonna be able to see this in the car, but hey man, at least I know I did it. Man with the plan. Coming to save the day yet again. Pretty sure you guys probably haven't even fucking seen this nigga upgraded from the G to the Supra.
I guess you wonder where I've been.
Haven't vlogged in a fucking minute. Boy came to fucking save the day yet again. Got a Nizzy back on the fucking road. Yes, sir. And just like that, Nizzy is alive again, guys. Got the new alternator installed. Shout out to my boy Drew. Man, that boy always come through and handle business. Nice little 30. Alright guys, we made it. As you can see right there, we're about to run this G37 coupe. See what we do, man. That's the homie. Pop's got one of those. Nah, welcome to Florida. That shit's crazy. Damn. From 350Z with the VHR SWAPPED to G37. Y'all don't remember, my boy used to have the VHR SWAPPED 350Z. Now you got a little G37 line. That shit tough. Come on. G.